Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix file download error in Google Chrome on your Android device. So the first thing you have to do when you face this error is to check that your internet is connected. So make sure you're connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. So after that, what we need to do is go to Chrome and long press it. After long pressing it, what we'll select is app information. Then what we'll do is select storage and cache. Then we'll select the option that says clear cache. So by clearing the cache, we can fix the download error. Another thing we should check is the amount of storage we have on our device. If we don't have enough storage for the file, then Google Chrome cannot download the file. So that is it. So that is how you fix download error on Google Chrome on your Android device. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.